Welcome everyone to our video news, our monthly video news, and the latest segment. It's March, it's early March, and we thought we'd do something slightly different this month because Kimmery, you wrote a very lovely introduction to your latest newsletter, and we've had a few people commenting on it and saying what a nice reflection it is about living in the now, inspired by Myrtle Fillmore. So we thought it'd be lovely if you just read it to us as like a little podcast for us.
Yes, delighted to, yeah. Okay, well, I called it Myrtle Fillmore's Legacy. I live in the now. Long before Eckhart Tolle coined the phrase, Myrtle Fillmore, founder of our Son at Unity Prayer Ministry, encouraged everyone to do this. Throughout her years of service, Myrtle wrote thousands of letters in reply to correspondents who were asking for prayer. Time and again, she encouraged them to live in the present, live in the now. Treat every moment as a new beginning. Get a firm hold of the idea that it is what we are now that really counts. It's very easy to see a problem and seek for the solution in the future. A new job, healing, abundance. Sometimes we use prayer to tell God what we need, wanting to fix the problem, then expecting the solution to manifest at some point in the future. However, in Unity, we experience and teach that all of God, as our good, is here in this now moment. Myrtle wrote to one correspondent, "Instead of looking into the future that is 6 months away, 6 weeks away, or 6 minutes off, know and rejoice that God, omnipresent good and wisdom, is meeting your need in this moment and will continue to do so through eternity." She was equally clear that letting the past interfere in the present by dwelling on previous thoughts and feelings defeated us and kept us locked in that past experience, thus enabling the suffering to continue. It is a deep spiritual practice, staying centered in each now moment, faithfully knowing that it is only now that we can experience all of God with and as us. Do you notice how your mind seems to wander into the past or future? Yet in neither place can we experience the good that is here for us now. Keeping the mind present and focused on good as God is essential. Eric Butterworth called this practicing the presence of God. He was asked, "How often are we to do this?" and would reply, "All the time." In my experience, it can often take a few minutes to realize that my mind has gone down the rabbit hole of what I am feeling in the past or the future. So when I become aware, I take a few moments to feel what I am feeling without anything being wrong, open to God's love and grace that is always here in the midst, in this now moment. And I come back to the present. Now I can connect with the answers and understanding I seek. Now I am able to connect with God as my source, supply, joy and peace. As we each practice doing this, we come to know that we can face our fears, doubts or concerns, because God as love and wisdom is here with us. This becomes our practice of faith. Throughout Lent, which started Wednesday the 26th of February, we are encouraged to practice releasing and freeing ourselves from old patterns and beliefs and claim new practices that support us. This is a transforming process. The more we practice the presence of God in this way, the more our faith builds and the easier it becomes. Further, we experience a deep joy of freedom. The ties that previously bound us have gone, and our spirit soars as it is set free. So give yourself the gift of freedom that comes in letting go in each now moment to know the goodness of God. I would suggest this is the truth that sets us free. And if you would like to join us for Lent, we read our Lent booklet every morning at 9 o'clock in our morning prayer times, which you can join online with us using Zoom, so you will find the details on our website.
Thank you, Kimberly. That was really lovely and very thoughtful, but very feelingful as well. So thank you so much, and I think we just ended there and wish everyone a good Lent and a good Easter, of course, as that comes up as well.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.